Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of pizza, and this is the pre-made pizza I have purchased from the store, and I'm going to put my ingredients on the top and then I'll bake it, which are veggies. You can take your choice of veggies. I'm taking these and the boneless chicken, and I'm going to use the sauce to make a chicken, which is chili garlic sauce, honey barbecue, ketchup and soya sauce. So in one pan, heat up the oil and add 1 spoon of zira in the hot oil, and then add the chicken stripes and mix it well and cook it for around 2 minutes with the zira, and then add sauce, which is chili garlic sauce, around 2 spoons, and 1 full spoon of soya sauce and 2 spoons of honey barbecue sauce. Add 2 spoons of ketchup and then stir well and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now the chicken is ready, so I'm spreading that chicken on the pizza. I'm spreading on the half of the pizza. You can put on full if you want to. And I'm putting on 2 slices, the veggie, which is onion, bell pepper and jalapeno. So I'm going to bake that pizza on 380 for 18 to 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes, there you go, the pizza is ready. So these are the veggie slices. That's barbecue chicken pizza, and I left it 2 slices of cheese pizza as well. Hope you all liked the video, and if you have any question, do let me know by your comments below, and thank you so much for watching.